Facebook is definitely the best fit for our brand. We use it in a number of different ways. We advertise, special sales. We do contests, that allow our Facebook followers to win prizes and just kind of interact with the brand a little bit. Whereas with Twitter, I feel like it's more of a forum for our users to kind of post their complaints and ask if someone else is having these same types of problems. With Facebook, we have a better kind of interaction with our user that way. And yes, there's still some negative posts and stuff, but overall, I think they use it better, and we're giving them more, to kind of play with.
We are most active right now on Facebook. We also are relatively active on Twitter, but Facebook is a little bit more value for the KFC brand in terms of relationship building and communication with our fan bases. We can actually see who our self-identified fans are, and we can play with them a little bit more than we can actually in the Twitter space. We can share photos, share videos, and share experiences, etc. And the advantage that we really see to Facebook is also that we don't have as strict a character limitation in terms of communicating messages.
So we're most active on Facebook. We do have a tiny presence on Twitter. But Facebook is kind of the epitome of what marketers have been trying to do when we started this whole concept of marketing, which is have direct communication with our customers. So to me, it's the zenith of everything we're trying to do. And the fact that people don't quite get that as a brand is kind of crazy. I have a theory of wherever your pictures are is where you're going to be for a while. So since most people's pictures are on Facebook and they're forming a life on Facebook, it's not going anywhere. So as far as I'm concerned, it's the future of the internet in general.